Uh, okay, hello everyone. We are wait for 5 minutes more, and then after our today's session. Okay, now we start our today's session. First of all, please confirm. Hello, hello, my voice is audible, sir. Please confirm. Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Basically, we are starting our today's session. First of all, I give you today's session agenda. So today's we are discuss about small intro about Kerutsu. Then after we are discuss about our today's main topic is the power quality analyzer. Then we will discuss about what is a power quality analyzer. Second, some causes for poor power quality. Then after we discuss about application and advantage of power quality analyzers. Then we have Kerutsu range of product. Then we discuss about some key features of our Kerutsu Mac products, and we have one demo video. So we are just play on first session, and last we have a small intro of our other divisions of Kerutsu. Uh, let's we start. This is today is so too much late. Presentation. First of all, Kirutsu is a Japanese company, and they have a old company, and they started in Japan in 1940, and then after they gradually grow and manufacturing wide electrical measuring instruments like clamp meter, insulation tester, earth testers, multifunction tester, digital multifunction testers, digital multimeters, and quality analyzers. So this is all of electrical measuring. Why we choose Kerutsu? Because Kerutsu meets the highest standards for quality, reliability, and repeatability, durability, consistency, and accuracy, and most important, safety. So Kerutsu meets all these points. That's why we prefer and we choose Kerutsu brand. Product benefits. Okay, so we have a large range of portfolio in various equipment, but we are not providing as per any customer's demand. We are first of all understand the applications and understand the requirements. Then after we suggest our best equipment for complying the requirements. We have manufacturers with a very long MTBF materials and lower duration. Our instruments are compliant safety standards, also like IEC 61010-1, and meeting these standards is additionally requires more 50 to 20% components. So we are using for manufacturing, and yes, we have the get product certified also. Some other companies they don't have. Our all instruments are compliant EMC standards also like IEC 61557-1 or 2 or 4, and other IEC 6126-1 EMC standards. All products are friendly, and we are giving you very quick optional accessories also like remote control, switch probe. We are also providing innovative casing case for safety better and assessment when we do covers, and we are also providing innovative accessories. So today's we move on our main product. This is basically power quality analyzers. So first of all, we understand what is the power quality analyzer and what is basically a power quality analyzer tool. So power quality analyzer is a simply measuring device, and you can measure in your measure voltage, current, power in this instrument, and you can also measures and you can check your parameters, and you can also measure harmonics, dip, swell, peaks, transient in line. You can realize your problem in your system. So basically, first of all, when you install some product, and you can installations in your area. So first of all, you need to check your power quality, and then after you can start your installation, because if you don't uh, check your power quality, then your instrument or your machine has damage, or machine is malfunctioning also, or permanent failure also. You can face this problem. And there are many ways to which electrical powers can be poor quality, and many different in your system. So to avoid these situations where device and installations are faced with poor power quality, then you must have required in power quality analyzers, and measurement and informations, and also relations to protect installations is very useful and helpful for your machine durability and your machine life. This is some causes for poor power quality. First of all, if you have an inductive and capacitive loads like motor, ballast, or electronic device, so you can just check voltage current phase angle, and your voltage current phase angle is not okay, then you can see the solutions, or you can use power factor correction equipments, and you can sort out these problems. If you have your load is non-linear loads, like your loads are demanding for energy rapidly changes, like sub cycles and fast changes in your cycles, then you can measure harmonics, and you can solve this connecting the filter in your system. And other problem is if your three-phase line and your load is improper distributed with each phase, then you have facing the unbalanced problem. So you can just check, and uh, you can rebalance your load distributions, and you can solve this problem also. Some other causes like dips and swells and trances you can also measure with these instruments, and you can resolve all our problems with for if you have dips and swell, then check your circuit capacity, and if you needs and realize, then you can adjust transformer taping. And if you measure transist with this instrument, then you can replace switches, and you can also add transist suspension device. So for solve this problem. Discuss applications and advantage of power quality analyzers. So you can basically measure in data center application, industrial applications. For in industrial application, you can measure instrument panel. You can measure power quality, and you can check this area. You can also measure automated production line, and you can also measure in distributions line, also in commercial building, and in commercial lighting house also. Basically, advantage is to avoid downtime. If you can if you continue measure power quality, then you can find out problem early, and you can solve the problems. Then downtime, you can avoid downtimes of the product. Expand your lifeline of your device or your any machines. Avoid unbalanced power network. You can continue checking power quality, then you can avoid unbalanced problem also. It's early alarm, so you can this factor also. This instrument also detect the harmonics due to switch more power supplies, and it detects suspective cycle distributor also with this instrument. This is the some photographs for applications. Uh, First pictures is commercial building panel circuits. Then you can just connect the instruments, and you can analyze the data with this instrument, as well as these instruments you can connect with your mobile or PC, and you can check the remote display also. Second pictures is you can see these industrial applications in industry. You can also connect bus systems also, and you can just check your power quality. So these are some applications areas pictures in commercial building. Uh, this is for compressor room panels, so you can check the compressors output and input sides, port sides. This is some key features of, for our uh, and you can just measure with a single phase two wire system. We have also three phase three wire systems. You can just connect and you can measure. We have three phase four wire system also. We have also three phase four wire plus clamp for neutral, and three phase four wire for leakage clamp also. Product range. Basically, this instrument is our basic model Q6305 model, and this is compared, and these instruments are measured for power meters for cost saving through energy monitoring, and these instruments come and compliance with IEC standards also. You can save the data in this in instrument, and you can just carry via USB or Bluetooth. You can just put on your PC and generate the report for further necessary actions. This instrument measure voltage, current, power factor, and frequency measurement. So this is only power meters, this power analyzers. So in this instrument, you can measure voltage, current, and you can analyze the energy with this instrument. This is basic model, and you can just easy three step with this instrument. You can just set up just wiring and check the wiring. If your wiring is correct, then instrument will measure voltage, current, and analyze your data. This instrument is Q6315. This is basically power quality analyzers. In this instrument, you can measure voltage as well as you can measure harmonics, swell, sweep. Both are you can measure, and this is the perfect tool and power quality. So in this instrument, very different features also available in your direct instruments like power and energy mode also available. Waveform generation also available in this instrument directly. So this is basically power quality analyzers, and you can make uh, range for different clamp. We have shown this instruments video, demo video in the last slide. This is for given and this is the display of the instrument. So you can just see the right hand side. This is the an energy button. You can just press this button and you can show the direct value of voltage, ampere, power, and PF value also you can show with direct display. And you can just change the display, and you can if you require average voltage of each phase or and all phase, so you can just or change as in customized function switch, and you can just change average display. Then you can show direct average display. You can show minimum maximum voltage ampere values, so you can just customize minimum maximum, and you can just see the direct value of minimum maximum voltage current value. Another key features is you can show the trend display also. You can just show the trend display if only ampere. So with all phase, so you can just function switch, put on the ampere functions, and you can just show the ampere function as well as voltage, power quality, and PF also you can show. of each phase, and if you connected in DC supply, then you can check the DC power also. Waveform display, basically waveform display button are also mentioned directly on instrument. You can just press the button and you can show the direct voltage ampere waveform in your. So in this mode, we have five modes are available for measuring voltage ampere for line 1, line 2, and line 3. Also, you can see all the product in one graph. So if you want to show, so you can just function button push on and select as all, and then you can show the all value with single display. This is the vector display. You can just check your voltage and ampere ratio. Vector display function button. You can see harmonics button also. You can just press the harmonic button and your display directly show your system's harmonic. If you in this photo, basically they show in third, fifth, and seven harmonics. This is basically this gray color. I show the limits as per standards, and this R means your wave phase harmonics are higher than Y phase harmonics. So you can directly display and you can read out the harmonic also. This is another key buttons for power quality display. You can just press the button and you can show the power measurement, and you can measure as well as swell, dips, transients, short impedance with this power quality buttons, and you can just see the value of voltage for three phase and current for three phase. This is the flicker, and you can just push the quality button and you can just direct reading for voltage. And if you want to show in, for short term like 10 minutes, so you can just customize and you can select the PLT. In PLT, you can show 10 minutes reading also, and you can see for longer time like 2 hours, 3 hours. Then you can just set and in PLT, and you can see the value of flicker for a long time. Our instruments are Bluetooth connectivity, so you can just connect your Bluetooth with your phone or laptop, and you can just real time facility Bluetooth functions. So your measurement are displayed directly on your Bluetooth or laptop. A few models, uh, basically our 635100 with no clamp, no current clamp external, and these models are come with carrying case and with current clamp. If you require current capacity is 1000 ampere, then you can order this part number, and you can require 3000 ampere, then you can select this part number, last one, 6315-51. So we can just show you this is basically carrying case and this is current clamp. Now this is the our selection guide. We have two instrument. One is a power meter, and the model number is 6305, and another one is a power quality analyzers, and the model number is 6351. You can just see the measurement value. 6351 is only power meter. Then this instrument can measure only voltage, current, power, frequency, and 6351 is power quality analyzers. Hence, this instruments is measures harmonic also, and power quality measurements also deep interrupts and transits, interest current also measure this instrument. So you can select as per your requirement. If you want measure only power, then you can select the this model 6305, and if you want measure harmonic also, then you can select 6315 model. This instrument comes with a memory card, so you can store the data in it. You can just save this data instrument, and you can pull out and you can copy paste with in your PC with our integrated software. This is the small demo video. So this is the connection. You can just connect red RYB clamp in power supply, and you can see the below our clamp for ampere measurement, current measurement. This is three wire system. You can just connect all leads in our instrument, and you can just direct show the value. First of all, you have a set of small functions for like your wiring is the delta. Select as per your wiring in instrument, then after you can directly show the readings like ampere, current for channel 1, channel 2, R phase, red phase. This is the function switch. If you want to get, then you can press the F2 button. This is a start stop switch. Right now this instrument is recording all data, so you can just visualize in display. This is the waveform button is here. You can just press and you can see the waveform. Right now this is for measurement, and you can also see the individual line also. This is second channel voltage ampere waveform. This is third channel voltage ampere waveform. This is the quality functions. You can just press quality functions button, and you can just check the voltage and current. Harmonic function. You can just harmonic function button, and you can just directly show the harmonics value. At, at this uh, at this time, no harmonics are created with our system. Hence, they not showing here. This not showing in this display. If you have some harmonics, then you can directly show as like first harmonic you just show 100, then you can just third harmonic, fifth harmonic, you just show here. See, this is the harmonics. So, normally odd harmonics are greater than this is show directly. This is third harmonics, this is fifth harmonics, and this is seventh harmonic. So you can just read the harmonics, and you can just fix your harmonics filter in this system. So you can use this harmonic also. So this is basically instrument, and you can print functions also with this instrument. So if you want the pictures of this display, so you can just press the print. Pictures are stored in our device, so you can utilize these pictures in generation. Now we discuss about Kurosu other division. Basically, Kurosu have divided three criteria. First is power division. Second one is safety division. Third one is CM division, is conditioning monitoring division. First of all, power division. Kurosu represent David. Basically, Australia-based company, and they are also manufacturing basically precision multi-power analyzer for polyphase measurement. These instruments are very highly accurate, and this instrument is used for energy and power analysis in motor generator or transformer efficiency test. Another one is safety division. Safety division, Keiretsu basically represent four number of different companies. So, first of all, Hasegawa, basically Keiretsu are representing this company, and Hasegawa is manufacturing voltage sensing tools for LV line and HV line, as well as we are manufacturing the grounding discharge stick also, and they are also manufacturing extra high voltage non-contact online detecting system, mainly used in substations or power generation system. Second one is Nagaki. Nagaki basically manufacturing professional tools for cutting, peeling, fastening, and gripping tools. These tools are widely used in installation or transmission line installing. Third one is the Titan. Basically, Titan is manufacturing full body harness for body belt type safety belt. These belts are widely used in high end height of you can just very high height. So this instrument are using for the safety purpose. Another one is the Codex. Basically, Codex is manufacturing digital camera for intrinsically safe. You can use this camera in intrinsically safe area, or they are also manufacturing lighting as well as thickness gauge for intrinsically safe area. This is certified for Zone 1, Zone 2. This is also certified at then the third division is conditioning monitoring division. In the conditioning monitoring, Kyoritsu are basically represent two companies. One is IPEC and another one is NL Acoustic. Basically, first of all, we discuss about IPEC. IPEC is basically manufacturing handheld partial discharge instrument. You can just see these pictures in this slide. This is basically hand discharge laser record. Then we have also PL also manufacturing this type of instrument also. Another one is NL Acoustic. NL Acoustic is basically measure leakage air in system. If you can see in industrial area, they are using compressed air widely they are using, and if someone areas have leakage in compressed air, then we are not see, or we are not justify and find out with our eyes. So this is basically manufacturing these types of instruments. These instruments are easily sense the sounds, and you can just directly see where is the leakage. And acoustic manufacturing this types of camera. Okay, so if you have any question, then please ask me, and you can also chat in our chat box. If you have any questions, sir, then you can feel free ask me, or you can just put down in our chat box also. Okay, you can just see our next virtual demonstration and presentation date, 10 December for phase sequence meter. This is our email ID and contact number for if you have any doubts, or if you have any query, you can contact with us. We are standing for you. Okay, then thank you everyone.